We went through dozens of designs and finally came up with this logo. It symbolizes a new beginning, if you like, because Audiovisual Commission is no longer called Audiovisual Commission, is now Film Fiji. There's a number of opportunities, and of course with the dancing that will take place here tonight, there's some very, very good talent, and with a lot of movies that are being made in Fiji, hopefully some of you may be able to star in some of the movies that are being made in Fiji. I'd like to thank the acting chair and the board, etc., all of those people behind the scenes who put this logo together. And I wish you all a very good evening, and I'll be back here on the stage to talk later on. Vinaka, thank you. We've been here now for a few years. Many of you have been coming here for the past 4 or 5 years. I don't want to make a long speech, but I was particularly moved tonight, and I think we all need to put our hands together for the Fiji School for Blind, Sunshine Special School, Manly Center for Special Education, Fiji Vocational Technical Training Center for Persons with Disabilities, Sigatoka School for Special Education, and the Hilton Special School. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this year is extremely special because these very special schools have graced our stage with their performances. I'd like to thank them for participating, their teachers, their parents, their families who have encouraged them to be able to come onto the stage this evening. I'd like to thank you also for your support in encouraging them. This is the whole idea of holding this dance competition and the film competition that we'll be having tomorrow night, is that there are no barriers. Every Fijian has the opportunity to participate in this competition. And we need to encourage that, we need to nurture that. We have given out copies of the Constitution to you. Many of you would have got it at the gate. There is a special provision in this Constitution, not just for the youth, but also persons with disabilities. And the whole idea is to integrate them, is to mainstream them, so we do not discriminate against them, but include them within our community and our society. And that is very, very significant. So thank you once again to those schools for participating. Thank you once again for all the other schools who have continuously graced our stage and made this a wonderful night. I have only one more thing to say to those of you who will be turning 18, who have already turned 18, will be turning 18 next year. Please register to vote, to cast your vote come the elections in September 2014. I wish you all a very good evening. Vinaka, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me much pleasure to announce the 2013 Tucker's Ice Cream Fiji Wood Judges Commendation Dance Award. And that goes to the Fiji School for the Blind. Tucker's Ice Cream Film Fiji Wood Most Popular Dance Award goes to Fiji School for the Blind. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Tucker's Ice Cream Fiji Wood Best Female Dancer Award goes to Sabina Mode. Second runner dance award goes to Dudley High School. A certificate and $500 cash. The 2013 Tucker's Ice Cream Fiji Wood first runner dance award goes to Khalsa College. Dance Award goes to